Rasulullah's father had a twin sister. Rasulullah's father had a twin sister, and that twin sister was the grandmother of Sayyidina Usman radiallahu ta'ala. So from the mother's side as well, they are connected, and then from the father's side, the lineage is also connected. Puppa of Rasulullah Nani of Usman radiallahu ta'ala. Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu was among the initial group of people who accepted Islam. Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, whom we studied about, he was the first outsider from the family of Rasulullah to accept Islam. And then Sayyidina Abu Bakr became also a da'i for many others to accept. So he offered Islam to Sayyidina Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and on his offer, Sayyidina Usman accepted Islam. So when he accepted Islam, if you recall, when we were doing the talk of Sayyidina Umar, we said that Sayyidina Umar went to a place. What was the name of that place? Anybody remembers from the last talk? None of you were there actually that time. Darul Arqam. Darul Arqam was a place. It was a house of a Sahabi, Arqam radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Darul Arqam is Arqam's house. Darul Arqam was the place where after few people had joined Islam, they would meet in hiding in that place, and Sayyidina Rasulullah would teach Islam, whatever had come to those Sahaba at that point in time. It was a sort of a secret meetup place for the Muslims. And Sayyidina Umar came over there to meet Rasulullah to actually, and he accepted Islam in Darul Arqam. Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu, when he accepted Islam, it was pre Darul Arqam stage as well. So even Darul Arqam had not been established by that time. So he is one of the very initial people who had joined Islam. And from the beginning, he was tested. And the reason that we must know that these things is because, we tend to come into Islam, or when we tend to change our lives and start following Islam, then we feel that, I thought now Allah's rahmat would be on me, and things would get better and this, and now I'm being tested more, and this problem has come and that problem has come and this has happened and that has happened. You look at these life of these Sahaba and you realize that the second they accepted Islam, it was like everything went off for them. The entire world as they knew it turned against them. Sayyidina Usman's father, he got so his entire family got upset with him, and his uncle, his chacha, he got so upset with him that he tied him to a pillar in the house. And they said that we are not going to untie you till you come back to our forefathers' religion. He said, you can tie me for all you want, but now I'm not leaving this. And he remained tied with little food, little water, no option for going to toilets or anything for 3 days, 3 nights. And then after that, his uncle said that enough, he's not leaving, so what can we do? So they untied him and let him be. But right from the start, his family started giving him a tough time.